Hello, everybody. I'm Christian Perez. I am a developer of JavaScript. I'm going to show you the import project. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the architecture. Basically, that is the architecture. We have three big products of um, AWS and another two products like a Lambda function and DynamoDB. The first one is Amazon S3. Basically, one bucket is waiting for some files, so CSV files. When one file arrives in the bucket, that bucket triggers one Lambda function with the producer. The producer processes that file and sends the message to SQS. Basically, it's a queue with FIFO strategy, first in, first out. At the same time, that is SQS is subscribing in Elastic Beanstalk. It's basically an EC2 instance, but in that architecture is working like a worker because could be enter a lot of requests on the port 80, and that request contains a little bit of messages from the SQS. If the worker could be processed and sent this message, in this case, products or customers to the CEP, if this is done, it's gonna return a 200 status to the SQS, and it's going to update the process on DynamoDB. On DynamoDB, we are saving the process and the errors. And basically, is a nice idea using Elastic Beanstalk because could be um, upgrade easily. It's elastic. Okay, that one is a little bit of the architecture. I'm gonna show you the demo faster. Okay, here I got a Postman connected with Wine Store. We have in this moment 302 products. I'm going to refresh it. Yeah, 302 products. And now I'm gonna show you the demo. Sorry. Okay. I told you that basically S3, that one is a Lambda function subscribing the S3 bucket. Here is the Elastic Beanstalk instance. It's working well. And that one is the SQS FIFO, subscribing to the um, Elastic Beanstalk or EC2 instance. Okay, I'm gonna show you the logs and the DynamoDB. Now we don't have database tables. We are gonna create it. Okay, basically that one is the bucket that the Lambda function is subscribing. I'm gonna upload the file. That file contains, which is the file? It is Inspire Export 2. Okay, I'm gonna upload the file. I'm just going to upload the file. That upload could be arrived from front end, but in this case, it's just backend demo. I'm gonna upload manually. When I upload the file, in that moment, it's triggered the Lambda function and the process starts. I'm going to show you the file. That file was sent from Steve, and that file contains a little bit products and the structure, right? I am using in this moment just for a demo to avoid create a lot of products in the CEP database or of Wine Store. I am using just two products. In that two products, there are one with errors and another is well. And the errors usually is, for example, doesn't have the category ID, or maybe some spaces required for the CEP for save a product. If the file doesn't have this kind of of properties, the is an error and it's gonna be saving in DynamoDB. Okay, that one is the file that I already uploaded. I'm gonna show you what happened here. And now I guess the Lambda function was calling the tables on Dynamo was creating. Right, we have tables. The customer is amp wine. We have a process, input process and wine. Okay, we got one item in the process. The process is finished, and in the input errors, we got one error because the CEP doesn't accept the another file without some properties. Okay, and the SQS is working. The CloudWatch could be show me the logs. Effectively, the table was created. The answer was successful 1, filet 0, rows 4. Okay. And now the last part of that demo is to show you how many products are there here on wine store on PIN products. I'm gonna send again 303. That product was adding. If I am going to the instance, if I'm gonna log in the instance just for see. Sorry, I opened the wrong project. It's worker, okay. In that project, I'm gonna show you the logs SSH. Okay, right, I am logging. I am going to cut var log, node, that is the result, and we got one error and one ref key. Here we have a new product. I can take it, this ref key, and go to get item. I'm gonna get item. Okay, that is the product that we are saving in this moment. Okay, that is the demo. This is the work from the project imports. I hope you are okay with this result. Thank you very much and see you later.